captain. I'm here on the ride. I'm a little nervous, but I'm super excited. Here we go. We're going up some sort of ramp. Oh, this doesn't seem too bad. It's definitely not as fast as the rocket ship just yet. Here we go, up the ramp, up the ramp, up the ramp. It's nice and slow. It's nice and slow on an early moor. Oh my goodness, I think it's about to get faster. Whoa! I think this might be faster than the rock. Whoa! This is so much fun! Ah! Oh, Captain, you've got to try this! Whoa! Here we go round, and turn the corner again. I guess you could say mission complete. Back over to you in the rocket cap.